Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts and accidental activation. Once done, remove minimal trim or bumper clips to access the headlight assembly. Organize screws in one labeled container so nothing gets lost. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes, and use painter's tape on surrounding paint to avoid scratches. Now unclip or unscrew the headlight housing. You'll feel resistance. Apply steady even force so you don't crack tabs. Once the housing is loose, locate and remove the bulb by twisting or unclipping the connector while noting its orientation for reinstallation. Inspect the socket, wiring, and rubber seal for corrosion, frayed wires, or melted plastic. A bad seal lets moisture in and causes fogging. If the bulb is clouded, yellow, or dim, replace it with the correct type and brightness rating. Match the connector and don't touch halogen glass with bare fingers. Reseat the bulb and test the fit before reassembly. After confirming the bulb and seals are correct, reattach the headlight housing and any trim. Tighten screws snugly, but do not over-tighten plastic tabs. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, then test low and high beams plus turn signals to verify operation. Make sure to adjust the headlight aim if beam pattern is off. Small screws move vertical and horizontal aim. If lights still fail, try the troubleshooting tip. Swap in a known good bulb. Check socket voltage with a meter, and reseal the housing if moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.